In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with the top tips for using LinkedIn to increase business sales. LinkedIn has become one of the major social networks, with over 360 million members worldwide, and is, in fact, arguably the social network for businesses. More and more salespeople are using LinkedIn as their primary source for generating new leads. If you're looking for a way to turbocharge your sales, here are some of the top tips for using LinkedIn to increase your sales. Never miss a chance to connect. Your contacts are the currency of LinkedIn. If your contacts are predominantly friends, family, and old school pals, then you have some work to do. Your first-level contacts open up a path to a wide variety of second and third-level connections. This is how you can scale your network. When you meet people online or off, follow the meeting up with a quick connection request. Discover how to map your prospects. You need to know who the decision makers are in a company. Luckily, many people will include which team they're in, which office they work at, and what projects they're currently working on right in their profile. With a bit of detective work, you can build a picture of who you need to talk to, what they're like, and what they've worked on before. This can help you create a clearer picture of who you'll need to influence to make the sale. Unlock a smarter way to search. With LinkedIn's advanced search, you can locate people by company, title, location, and keyword. Subscribe to a paid account, and you can add seniority level and company size as well. You can dig deep and identify critical individuals quickly by mixing the different filters. Learn what's going on in your prospect companies. As any good salesperson knows, change creates opportunities. People join, people leave, and companies make big announcements. Any of these changes can create a good reason for you to get in touch and offer help. Following your prospect companies through LinkedIn will make it easy for you to stay up to date with what's happening and help you spot new opportunities. While LinkedIn isn't able to make a sale for you, you can gain a substantial advantage over your competitors when you use it intelligently. With the power of LinkedIn, you can obtain a crucial edge that can translate into increased sales.